Hey, hello friends. I hope you are all good. Today we will discuss Earth's magnetic field. We will discuss all the components that are responsible for the Earth's magnetism. After that, we will also discuss function of Earth's magnetic field and effect of magnetic field on Earth. Hey, I am Ankush Prajapat. I am the creator of Mayuram classes, a place where you will find a learning environment from 5th to 10th standard. It is my new YouTube channel and I am new at YouTube. It is my second video. Hope you support me. I teach you a basic science and maths from 5th to 10th standard. If you want to learn something, you just copy the link and send to me. I will make sure you get your point of view. So let's start our topic. First, we will discuss basic components that are responsible for generating Earth's magnetic field. So we're starting from the electric current. As you know, an electric current is a flow of electric charge. It means that whenever you have free electrons in a material, you can conduct electricity from that. Metals are excellent conductors of electric current because they have free electrons. Among all metals conductors, copper and silver are most common. We use in our homes copper wire. Why? Copper is used widely because of low cost than silver and gold. Earth's outer core is made up of also two metals, which are iron and nickel. But the conductivity of iron and nickel is low compared to copper, as you can see in the table. In 1820, scientists discovered by accident that electric current creates a magnetic field. Oersted also used a compass to find the direction of the magnetic field around a wire carrying current. So I have to explain you now magnetic field. The magnetic field is the area around a magnet in which other magnetic materials experience a magnetic force. Even we can make electromagnet at our home by using a battery, nail and insulator wire. I hope you got my point. In these two pics, you can see the magnetic fields produced by a current carrying straight wire and current carrying circular route. The direction of magnetic field lines can be determined using right hand thumb rule, as you can see in the pic. So according to this rule, if thumb of the right hand points along the direction of earth current, then the curled finger gives the direction of the magnetic field. These magnetic field lines basically are invisible to the human eye. You cannot see. The magnetic field line produced by a solenoid or coil of wire is very much similar to the magnetic field of a bar magnet. And a bar magnet has two magnetic poles, north and south pole. Earth also has a magnetic field that has a shape similar to a large bar magnet, as you can see in the pic. The earth is made up of 4 different layers: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. The thin outer layer of the earth where we live is called crust, and it is made up of mostly silicon and aluminium. The mantle lies below the earth crust and it made up of silicon and magnesium rich solid rocks. The core is made up of 2 parts, the liquid outer core and solid inner core. The outer core is made up of nickel, iron and molten rocks. So earth spins around its axis. We all know that. Just as a top spins around its spindle or axis. The rotation of earth on its axis causes motion in liquid metal which is present in the core. Thus, flowing of liquid metal in the outer core generates electric current, and these electric currents from a magnetic field around the earth. So we can say the earth core is very hot and molten, and the ions of iron and nickel are responsible for earth's magnetism. This hypothesis seems very probable. Why? As we see, moon which has no molten core has no magnetic field. Venus has a slower rate of rotation and a weaker magnetic field, while Jupiter, which has a fastest rotating rate among planets, has a fairly strong magnetic field. So by this we can say that the rotation of earth on its axis causes more motion in liquid metal. Thus flowing of liquid metal in the outer core generates electric currents, and these electric currents form a magnetic field around the earth. These magnetic field has a shape similar to a large bar magnet. As we can see in the inner side of globe, we consider a bar magnet which has a two poles, north magnetic pole and south magnetic pole. Please don't confuse with north magnetic pole, south magnetic pole with north geographic pole and south geographic pole. These are two different. A magnetic compass does not point to the geographic north pole. A magnetic compass points the earth's magnetic pole. As we know, opposite attracts each other. The north end of compass is attracted to the south magnetic pole of bar magnet, and this south magnetic pole lies close to the geographic north pole. The magnetic field lines always run from the north magnetic pole to the south magnetic pole. Therefore, the magnetic field lines of the earth run from the southern geographic hemisphere towards the northern geographic hemisphere. The world we live is dynamic. The earth is changing every day. Due to this, the north magnetic pole moves over time due to magnetic changes in the earth's core. The north magnetic pole of the earth has shifted in recent years away from Canada towards Siberia in Russia. The magnetic field is extremely important to sustaining life on earth. This magnetic field deflects ionizing charged particles coming from the sun and prevent them from entering our atmosphere. The interaction of solar winds and the magnetic field also causes the northern and southern lights to appear. These northern and southern lights, also known as aurora borealis. The energy particles emitted by the sun are channelized by the earth's magnetic field towards the pole, where they interact with atmosphere to create aurora borealis. Migratory animals are born with magnetic map in their head that allows them to migrate great distance safely. Their ability to sense the magnetic field is because of magnetic particles present in the atmosphere. Khichang village is located in Phalodi Tehsil of Jodhpur district. The village is known for a large number of domicile crans from Siberia that visit it every winter. So by this video we learned about magnetic field of earth. The magnetosphere is very important to everyone on the planet because it protects the earth from the solar winds and charged particles coming from the sun. It also affects the mapping and navigation system in smartphones. I hope you got very much and learned something new. Hope you liked the video. Please share some valuable suggestion. Thank you so much.